Want to automatically export a SharePoint list to Excel every single day without lifting a finger? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to build that automation in Power Automate. Now let's get started. Step 1. Create a new flow. Go to Power Automate, click New Flow, and choose Scheduled Cloud Flow. Give it a clear name like Daily SharePoint List Export. Step 2. In this example, I set it to run once per day. Configure the schedule. In the recurrence trigger, set the interval to 1 and the frequency to day. Set the start time to the time you want the export to run each day, for example 6 a.m. Step 3. Add a Get Items action and enable Pagination. Click New Step, search for SharePoint and select Get Items. Set the site address to your SharePoint site and the list name to Test List. Leave everything else empty. Then click on Settings. Turn on Pagination and set the threshold to 5,000. This is all you need. Power Automate will automatically retrieve all items up to 5,000. Step 4. Prepare the Excel file. Make sure you have an Excel file stored in SharePoint with a table set up on the first sheet. In this example, the file is called Test Excel File and is saved in the Documents library. The table columns must match the SharePoint list fields you want to export. Step 5. Add an apply to each for the SharePoint data. Add an apply to each action. Set the input to the value output from the Get Items action. Inside this loop, add a row into a table action from Excel Online Business. Set the site address to your SharePoint site, the document library to Documents, the file to Test Excel File, and the table to your table. Step 6. Map your fields. In the Add a Row into a Table action, map each SharePoint field to the matching Excel column. In this example, I'm using 4 text columns, column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4, both in the SharePoint list and in the Excel table. Just select the correct SharePoint field for each column using the Dynamic Content panel. Step 7. Save the flow. Click Save in the top right. Always save before testing. Step 8. Test the flow. Click Test, select manually, and click Test again. Watch each step turn green as the flow runs. Then open your Test Excel file in SharePoint and verify that all rows from the test list have been added correctly. And that's it. Your SharePoint list will now be exported to Excel automatically every day. This works for any list up to 5,000 items. Need it to work beyond 5,000? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more Power Apps and Power Automate tutorials. See you in the next one.